Hello, my name is Steve Rothenberg. I'm an instructor at Everest University Online, and I've made this video to show you how to do the browser test assignment. I've got the browser test assignment instructions up, so let's take a look. In step 1, we need to perform the browser test. Instructions on how to do that are located in this document here, which you can click on and access, but I'll just perform the step. You'll see that we click on Technical Requirements on the login page, and then on the following page we click Operating Systems and Browsers. From there we go to the Browsers section on the next page, and next to this question about knowing your browser version, we'll click here. So what it shows me is that I'm using Firefox and I've got the latest version. It also gives me the option to download other versions in case I want to check them out and see what they have to offer in addition to Firefox. We're going to need this screen later on, so let's go back to our instructions. In step 2, we need to learn about the snipping tool because we're going to be using that in further steps. There are two documents, actually one document and one video that you can access by clicking on these links. If you have any questions about how to use the snipping tool after this is the link to the tutorial on how to create a screenshot and also how to use the print screen tool. And the video simply goes over some of the same skills that you can read about in that document. In step 3, after you've become familiar with how to use the snipping tool, we're actually going to use it to capture the screen image of the browser test. So let's go back to that. To access the snipping tool, I can click the Start button. I may actually see the snipping tool in my list of programs that I commonly use, but if I don't see it there, I want to click All Programs, then go to Accessories, and then the snipping tool will be there. Once I click on it, I'll get a snipping tool window which allows me to capture the screen. I'll click the arrow next to the New button and I'll choose Full Screen Snip. And now I've got a snipping tool window which has a picture of the screen that I just had up a second ago, and it gives me some options here which we'll use shortly. Notice that the image is slightly bigger than the screen, so see the whole image by scrolling up and down this way. Let's go back to the instructions. In step 4, we're asked to use the copy function so that we can use the stored image for step 5. So let's see how we do that. In the snipping tool, I want to click Edit and Copy. And that's it. Let's go back to the instructions. We're now at step 5, and to complete the assignment we actually have to open another Microsoft Word document, the link to which is found here below. And once we get there, we'll see an additional set of instructions that will enable us to complete the rest of the assignment. So let's take a look at that document now. After clicking on the link, this document will appear. This is the document that we'll want to save and submit. I simply need to click in the box shown here, and then I need to hit the Paste button. And you'll notice that the image that I copied has been pasted into the Word document and is actually taken over the second page because the area that we had for it was not quite big enough to hold the image. This is the document we're going to save. You can save this document just as you did for the success plan from the previous assignment. Make sure that you save it to a place on your computer where you'll be able to find it when it comes time to submit the file to the Dropbox. And make sure that you put the file into the naming format indicated here. Well, that's it for this assignment solution. I hope that it was useful, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact your instructor, who I'm sure will be glad to help you with it.